Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Let's Code. In this video we are going to download and install XAMPP for Windows operating system. So let's get started. Open your favorite browser and type XAMPP. Now click on the first link, XAMPP installers and downloads for Apache friends. Now as in this video we are going to install for Windows, so I am going to click XAMPP for Windows and it will download your file. And as you can see, 8.0.7, this is the latest version available at the time of recording this video. So the download has been initiated. It's 158 MB and it will take almost 1 minute to download the file. Now as you can see, the file has been downloaded. Now click in show in folder. Just double click the installation file. So don't worry, this is just a warning. It will not harm your PC. Just click OK. Now in this window, as you can see, welcome to the XAMPP setup wizard. Just click next. Now here make sure each and everything is being checked and then click next. Now here you have to select a folder to install the XAMPP. So I will be going with the C drive, the default location, and after that click next. Choose a language, prefer English, then click next. Just uncheck this learn more about Bitnami for XAMPP and then click next. Now here as you can see, setup is now ready to begin installing XAMPP on your computer. Click next. Now here it will start to install the XAMPP in your system. Now it will take some time. Okay, as you can see, the setup is almost complete. Now here, don't worry, just allow the access for the private network. It will not harm your PC. So finally the XAMPP has been finished installing on your computer. Now here it is asking, do you want to start the control panel now? So just after clicking finish, the control panel will pop up. So here it is. This is the exam control panel. Okay, now to check whether the XAMPP is installed and is working finely, just click start for Apache server, and for MySQL database just need to start the just have to click start on the MySQL. Now here as you can see, when you will click start for the MySQL, there's a Windows security alert. Don't worry, just click on allow access as it's your private network. It will not harm your PC. Okay, just click allow access. Now after that, go to your browser and in the new tab on the address bar you have to type local host. Okay, so as you can see the dashboard for localhost, this is the Apache. So it means the XAMPP has successfully installed in your system. You can access the MySQL database by just clicking here, that is localhost/phpMyAdmin, or you can simply type here phpMyAdmin to access the MySQL database interface. That's it guys. In this way, I hope you have understood how to download and install XAMPP in Windows operating system. Okay, make sure you subscribe this channel and like and comment your thoughts and share this video with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.